Hello and welcome back to Tops Web. In this video we'll continue with settings in WordPress and discuss the privacy settings. There's only one choice here with two options for site visibility in the privacy settings. You can say that you want your site visible to everyone, and then in your update services that we covered off in the writing settings, this will ping those services. In contrast to that, the second option is that you can block search engines and make it available only to visitors, normal visitors, being that they have the URL, have been pointed to your site using the URL in some way. And what this does, it puts a meta tag in the header of the index file, which is the first page that a website opens when it's being called on, and it tells it not as a no index, no follow. So it tells the search engine not to index the file and add it to its list of sites. The other thing it does is that it writes to the robot text file. If it's installed on the host site, it would tell the search engine which pages not to crawl. And in this case it will write disallow to the search engine, so it will keep it from crawling the site. As a note to that, WordPress must be stalled into the site root, and there can't be an already existing robots.txt file in that folder. Also, what it does is that as you recall, in the writing settings, there were update services which ping and quickly indexes your WordPress site. Is one of the best things about WordPress is that it indexes into Google and Bing and those pretty quickly, and what it'll do is turn those off. So it doesn't block your site from, just so that you're very aware of this, it does not block your site, but it will keep it out of the index files. Now, question may be, why do you want to do that? Well, the site right here that we're working on is a demo site, and I don't want it available to the general public, or at least to Google scan anyway, accessible through organic search. That's what I'm trying to say. So what we do is we leave it turned off and hit save changes, and it will keep the site from being indexed as we make changes to the site. It might be a company blog, other things that you only want people to be able to find through handing them a link, something like that. So save changes, and that is it for privacy settings.